Create professional, narrated recordings using ScreenPal's Teleprompter tool. Just open the desktop screen recorder and click the Tools icon. Then click this Teleprompter button. Enter or paste your script text into the Teleprompter dialog. Use these icons to make your text larger or smaller. Use the slider to select the speed at which your text will scroll when you start the teleprompter. And click this icon if you'd like to display the teleprompter in full screen mode. When you're ready to begin, click the Record button. Start the teleprompter by clicking this play button, and read your script without ever looking away from the camera. You can skip forward and backward in your script using these buttons, or jump back to the beginning by clicking this arrow. Pause the teleprompter anytime by clicking the pause button. Capture, create, and share with ScreenPal.